Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, brothers. Alhamdulillah, we are here in Hong Kong. I would like to say Jazakumullah khair to Mufti Arshad Saab and also to the brothers of Khatm Nubuwwat that they hosted us, mashallah, very well. Maulana Ilyas Khan Saab as well, and Maulana Ali Tayyab Saab as well, mashallah. Very hospitable hosting. Mashallah, it's good to hear that there's an Islamic college here also, which is the only Islamic college here in Hong Kong, where our Muslim brothers and sisters attend classes. And also I would like to thank Mr. Sultan Wahid for inviting us to the college. It has been an amazing experience. Jazakumullah khair. MashaAllah, Alhamdulillah, here in Hong Kong, we were surprised to see that a lot of brothers, MashaAllah, attend the 5-time daily Salah, as well as for Jummah Salah. The masajid are full. The masjid in Kowloon, about 3,500 members attend for Jummah Salah. Also, there's a lot of maktabs here, mashallah, that has been set up by the scholars, those that have studied abroad in India, Pakistan, as well as in South Africa. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept their efforts, and we have seen that now slowly they are also establishing an Alimiya course in Hong Kong. It's very nice to see that slowly people are diverting their attention away from the dunya and giving more and more time and attention towards deen. There's also a local Tablighi Markaz, mashallah, that the brothers try and attend regularly. Also in Hong Kong, we have witnessed that a lot of brothers are coming towards Islam as well. So we met one brother, Sebastian, on Friday, who just recently accepted Islam, and he's named himself Sa'id. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make him a real Sa'id for this region. Ameen Ya Rabbal Alameen. The Kowloon Masjid, mashallah, it was established in 1856. Very old masjid, and lately it has been newly renovated and facilities has been made for everyone in the community. There's local art and culture classes that also takes place, maktab classes take place. Mufti Arshad Saab is the head of the masjid as well as the head imam of the entire Hong Kong. So any certifications, anything that needs to be passed through in Hong Kong goes through Mufti Arshad Saab. He's doing a lot of effort. Also, there's a halal monitoring committee here as well. We've attended the halal exhibition. They're doing a great job where you can, now they're starting to certify restaurants for the halal certifications, which is, alhamdulillah, amazing to see that in a small community like this, a lot of different faculties of Dini activities are taking place. Also, the Kowloon Mosque, which was I was privileged to perform a Jummah Salah there and a Jummah talk, has been visited by many scholars from around the world. The Imam of Kaaba, Sheikh Sudais, has also come here. Sheikh Subayil also came here many years ago. Mufti Taqi Uthmani Saab has been here. A lot of great scholars, mashallah, have been here in this region, and especially to the masjid in Kowloon. Allah Ta'ala reward you, grant you al-afiyat in your deen, your dunya, and Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala elevate your status in akhirat, and Allah Ta'ala take a lot of effort of deen in this region from you brothers, and make your effort a means of hidayat for the entire humanity. Jazakumullahu khair.